Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure Logitech GHUB is installed and updated, and that the headset firmware is current. Plug the USB dongle into a different USB port, and if you have the 3.5 cable, try the phone test to confirm the mic element functions. Once done, check the headset's physical mute and mic arm position. These simple hardware checks separate software from hardware faults quickly and prevent wasted troubleshooting time later. You now tackle drivers and system settings. Open Windows sound settings and set the Logitech device as both default communication and default recording device so apps route correctly. Next, open Device Manager, uninstall the USB audio driver for the headset, and reboot so Windows reinstalls it cleanly. Make sure exclusive control is disabled and then grant mic permission to the app you use. Otherwise, apps may block access even when drivers are fine. These steps resolve common software conflicts. Finish with advanced verification. Reset or reinstall GHUB after clearing its cache so corrupted profiles aren't the issue, and then test the mic in both a VoIP app and the system's sound recorder to compare behavior. If one app works and another doesn't, focus on app settings. If nothing records, try the spare mic capsule or alternate dongle if available. If replacing parts isn't possible or the headset still fails, prepare logs and start an RMA with Logitech support as your final step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.